the best things you can do for people who use your brand is to make it easy for them to navigate in guidelines. And we've tried to make it as easy as possible to set this up in your brand guide. When you're on any page of the editor, in the top left-hand corner, you'll see next to Pages, the navigation menu. In this navigation menu, you've got a few options for how people can access your site. First off is the sidebar. This is a menu which can be on the left or right and serves also as your mobile menu when people are viewing your site on a mobile phone. So on small screens, this is full width, and on large screens, this can either be an overlay or can permanently exist on the left or right-hand side when the screen is wide enough. So you can choose these options here. You can also edit the full layout just as you would a page on guidelines on the right-hand side. This one's looking good for me, so I'm going to lock that in here. Now there's other options we can configure. There's also a floating menu. This appears on mobile by default, and when the screen is too small to show your full menu, this menu appears alongside your site. It follows users down the page, so you've got the option to link to the menu or search. You can also configure the items that you have access to here. I might want to hide the logo, for example, or hide the search interface and just link to the menu. The choice is up to you. Finally, in the footer section, we provide some options for how to navigate between pages. So, for example, on most guidelines sites, you might want to navigate to the previous and next page in the footer. But you also have the option for adding infinite scroll, so that people navigate from one page straight to the next as they go through your site and guidelines. These are just a few of the ways that we give to help you add a navigation to your guidelines interface. But there's one more critical element you can add to help your guidelines be more navigable, and that's menus. So in any guidelines page, you can add a menu. These menus can link to other pages or even sections within the page. This is through the menu block. You can add a menu block to every page by, in the title, in the toolbar, clicking on the plus button and then selecting Menu. Once you've added a menu, in the toolbar you'll see options for linking to pages on the site or the headings on the current page. You can choose which headings to show, and you can of course style each of these to suit your brand. So these are a few options for how to style your guide and give really great navigation options on guidelines.